the global truss here. We'll create 3D images of things to list on my website. Dress up for a meeting. If you dress up, then people take you seriously. So. Lee here, the rental guy. Welcome to the vlog. This is me vlogging about my party rental business. If you've been here before, then you know. If you haven't been here, I've been doing this for almost 5 years. I started in my garage.
Hello, everybody. I'm putting the chairs in piles for my daddy.
And now we're here. We are here. This is my office. We're here. And that's my showroom. There's a warehouse downstairs. You get it. Let's get into this vlog because I've got a juicy one for you. Okay, what kind of things are going out this week? You're probably wondering. Speaker and mic Bluetooth system, Chivalry chairs are going out, champagne flutes are going out, Big Buck Hunter arcade system, Street Fighter 2 arcade system, Giant Connect 4, and Putter Pong game. So that's it. It's some games going out. Obviously, those are for Christmas parties. Not much. So it's dead right now. I'm not gonna lie, my numbers are down. However, while editing tonight, I picked up $1,000 worth of work today, but I can't let it deter me, right? I'm trying to decipher why it's dead for me. Shut this kitchen down! Oh wait, it's only me here right now. My wife, when it's dead like this, works from home after she works kind of half days, and then she'll answer the phones from home.
Hello, Party Rentals.
If you have staff right now, I would venture to probably guess that you have full-time work all the time going on and that your guys aren't just sitting around the warehouse, or else why would you be doing it? I clearly don't have any staff right now because I don't have an overwhelming amount of work right now, and it only makes sense to not bleed all the extra dollars. I already bleed enough money for, plates on vehicles and adding inventory and keeping the heat on. And so staffing full-time is not productive for me currently, but I'm currently working on trying to get busier during these downtimes because there's things still going on. It's just my company's not the right company to facilitate these things. So I know audio video companies are quite busy right now. I know venues are busy. Christmas parties are starting to happen. And I'm sitting here booking, X amount of dollars a day. That have been working for me throughout the winter season are one-off items. So photo booths have been all right. Cotton candy machine seems to go out through the winter. Popcorn machine seems to go out through the winter. Right now for Christmas parties, the arcade machines are going out. So that kind of stuff, these little one-off items are proving great. Usually have a sound system going out every week, a projector going out every week. With the lack of business that my business is currently experiencing, I am very tempted to start throwing some deals out there. However, I cannot waver because it's not an issue. When people, are charging big prices and I hear that people are busy right now, it's not a price thing. It's just bad timing. People don't want to book their weddings right now. They're focusing on Christmas. My main squeeze is tents, tables, chairs. And if people don't need tents, tables, and chairs, they're not directly trying to search me out. And since I've cut services off on lots of things, the photo booths are pickup. I get lots of phone calls for people wanting printers with the photo booths. Well, I don't want to offer that. So I'm not, I'm not making as many bookings as I could be. But I don't want to waver. I'm not trying to have a completely service-based business. I could be busy through the winter because everyone wants a photo booth attendant to come to them. They don't care what they want to pay. They want someone to run a bartending service for them. They want something, but I just want to rent things out. So I'm staying true to what the form of my business is, and I'm not wavering trying to give deals for things and go out of my wheelhouse. I'm keeping it in. Plus, I made a huge amount of money during the summer, so I'm gonna sit on that. Try not to spend. I know I just went out and bought the video wall, and I bought the global truss, and I bought the pole tent, and I bought all the stuff, but I'm still doing okay. So I'm gonna press pause for a little while, and I'm going to just make 3D images every day. I'm gonna work on that. We're gonna grab as many phone calls as possible, do as many quotes. I'm going to have meetings with people and strategize the future, and that is what I'm gonna do with this. And in a few weeks, it's going to be, Christmas stuff. I know that people are going to be booking last minute tables and chairs. And since I turned into the warehouse guy from the office guy, I'll be able to facilitate that, and it'll keep me busy. And I won't think about how dead I am, and I will just focus on the task at hand. So right here, I made a 2x2 video wall. I have it on the rolling stand right there. And well, we'll see if it goes. I was able to, just by having it and taking photos of it and making a video of it, I made a video wall rental Saskatoon page, and it jumped right up to my organic listings right away. So that was nice. I've made TV rental Saskatoon pages, all sorts of pages that are going to get, my finger in the tip of the water with the AV stuff. How's the week been? Well, the week's been great. I got the room up here cleaned a little bit. It's actually free of things, and the video wall has made its home right there. Look at that. That's the UPS truck. What does that mean? That means video wall stand. Yes, sir. This is a 2x2 video wall, so it takes up 4 TVs onto this rolling stand, and they all sync together. So as long as there's a power bar there, and then there just needs to be a video wall controller, which we have there, and then it all comes together to make a video wall. So one thing that I have been up to is I've been working hard with the program Merri, and since I can create 3D images of everything, I want to be able to create 3D images of things to list on my website to make it look more like a catalog, things that I don't have pictures of. I can get all the right angles. So just starting from the basics, 10x10 marquee, then I'm showing it without walls, with lights, different styles, and then I'm listing it on my website like a catalog, taking screenshots from my digital images. That way the customers will be able to browse my website more like a catalog, and so that they can get a greater feel for what they're getting. Things that I just don't have the pictures, or there isn't the amount of pictures online to properly display this stuff. So 3D software is coming quite in handy for that. So thank you for Merri. It'll help them envision it in their head. And we're living in more of a digital age now where that's okay. I mean, have you gone on to Amazon and seen a 3D product and spun it around? And are you okay with booking that? Because I know I am. So what's with the 3D design? It's absolutely fantastic, because you're giving the visual aspect that the customers need in order to place a booking. Text just isn't enough sometimes. Well, if you don't do it, it's never going to happen. So today I picked up my first 4 pieces of global truss, soon to be more. Now that I have it, I have to make it move, or else it's going to sit in my warehouse. What kind of stuff can I build with this? Well, I've been looking online, putting uplights inside this. You can build many different things. Yeah, this is next to nothing, but, I'm going to get more and more and more. I can't stop now. I have to be thinking about it, right? So I've started investing in some global truss because I want to be able to do things, some audio video stuff. I've got a mini video wall, and one of the biggest reasons why I'm doing all this stuff, global truss audio video, is because I need to pair with an audio video company. And in order to have this stuff, I also need to have web pages on my website so that I get audio video customers in, so that I can utilize a partnership with an audio video company, because they are really, really the next step in the evolution of this company. Because when you're a tent rental company around here anyways, it's tents, tables, chairs during the summer, but then winter hits and people don't rent tents anymore. And what do they need? Well, you want to get bigger clients, you want to get trade show customers or indoor clients, or you want to get partnerships. So I've been strategizing, hence why I'm dressed a little bit better, right? You dress better so that people take you more seriously, right? You get a bigger shop so that people can confirm that you're actually professional. And you know how I normally dress in my videos just isn't the part when you're trying to get customers. So that being said, in my ever pursuit to widen out items in my business, I've added video wall, I've added global truss, and you know, I'm starting to work in some partnerships to get that kind of stuff moving, because there's things that move and things that require you to do a little bit of legwork to get them moving. So what do I mean? Well, tents, tables, chairs, they move themselves. Arcades potentially can move themselves because people understand that. They can get their head around it. If they're looking for arcade rental in your town, they're gonna look up arcade rental. But there's things like, like global trust that I'm getting into, which people don't really think that they need it. They don't understand that they need it because it just doesn't make sense. So you have to be able to pitch it to them with a 3D design or something along those lines so that they can envision it, and you know, you build up a demand in their head and then they realize that they need it. People who book tents, they don't realize that they need lights inside the tents. They come looking for the tents, but you pitch them the lights and you basically tell them, hey, like, lights are hard to install. You're more than welcome to try and install them yourself. They're like, well, how many feet do we need? Well, you say, well, that's, you know, different depending on which style you want. And our teams, you know, we carry the right lengths and then we do the right amount of extension cords, and, you know, it becomes a big thing. We have to get on ladders and we use special ties to tie everything up. And by the end of it, they're like, yeah, that's a big job. I'm definitely gonna, you know, spend $600-800 on you to install the lights in the tent. So, you know, that's an item that people search out, but the extra that they didn't know that they needed. So, you know, items can fit in that middle territory as well. So think about that when people come in looking for things and you're pitching them stuff and stuff. Well, that's all I got for you this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, I encourage you to check out some more videos right here. I do weekly vlogs. This week I did 2 vlogs pretty much. So check out right there if you haven't, and you stay classy. We'll see you on the next one. Click the video. Come on.